Welcome back to YouTube Telugu channel. In this video, we will learn about how to upload a video on YouTube from mobile. First, we need to open YouTube application. Right side corner, uploading symbol will be there. We need to press that, and you have to select the video. Then page will be appear like this, and we need to give some basic details, that is title, description. You need to decide your title, description before that. I just kept that title, and description I will change later. Now I just kept for testing purpose, and later I will change. We need to provide full description, data and title, everything. That is better because it will give for such SEO ranking, like it will be useful for searching our video. And initially we have to keep private or unlisted, then it won't publish until we send to the public. Press upload, then uploading will start. Initially it will prepare 100%. After preparing that, it will change to uploading. Use high speed internet for better results. Now it is completed almost 100%. Now it is changing to uploading. Don't back press or anything, just keep your mobile like that. Now uploading started. Just keep your mobile to complete the full uploading. After uploading, processing hash start will be like that will come. After processed, it will change it to ready to watch. We need to wait for until it will change to ready to watch. Now 100% processor completed. Now ready to watch message appear, and now we can check, we can press that video. Now the video is playing, and if you see the below, your channel name will be there and the video is playing. Just go to your channel, and see in videos ready to watch. It will change that ready to watch to uploading video. So this is the process how to upload a video on YouTube from mobile. Thanks for watching. Next video we will learn about how to add thumbnail for uploaded videos from mobile. Be sure to subscribe for new content and comment below to introduce yourself.